The Affiliate Revolution, Mastering High-Ticket Commissions and Automated Sales Funnels in the Global Digital Economy of 2026. Affiliate marketing has evolved from a simple side hustle into a sophisticated multi-billion-dollar industry that empowers anyone with an internet connection to build a scalable, high-margin business without ever creating a product of their own. The true secret to moving from a few dollars in Amazon Associates commissions to a consistent six-figure income lies in the transition from low-ticket physical goods to high-ticket digital assets and recurring revenue models. Most beginners make the mistake of chasing small percentages on physical items that require complex logistics. However, the elite 1% of affiliate marketers focus on high-value software as a service (SaaS) platforms, enterprise-level AI tools, and premium financial services where a single referral can generate hundreds, if not thousands, of dollars in ongoing monthly commissions. To master this space, you must move beyond the spammy link era and embrace the architecture of the value-driven sales funnel. This involves building a bridge page, or a lead magnet, that captures email addresses, allowing you to build an owned audience that you can market to indefinitely, regardless of changes in social media algorithms. The engine of a high-growth affiliate business is content arbitrage, the strategic creation of high-intent content that meets potential customers at the exact moment of their purchasing decision. Whether it is through a specialized YouTube channel, an SEO-optimized product comparison blog, or high-velocity TikTok and Instagram Reels, your goal is to provide information symmetry. In 2026, the market rewards transparency and expertise. Users are no longer looking for a sales pitch, they are looking for a trusted advisor who has stress-tested the tools they need to succeed. This is why case study, content, and over-the-shoulder tutorials outperform traditional ads by a factor of 10. By positioning yourself as a solution provider rather than a middleman, you build relational capital, which is the most valuable currency in the digital age. Furthermore, we are seeing a massive surge in the ecosystem marketing model, where you don't just promote one tool, but an entire stack of integrated solutions, such as an email autoresponder, a landing page builder, and a CRM, creating multiple streams of income from a single customer acquisition. However, the most critical element of scaling your affiliate empire is data-driven optimization and AI automation. You must master the art of conversion rate optimization (CRO), tracking your click-through rates (CENTER) and earnings per click (EPC) with surgical precision. In 2026, the top-tier marketers are using AI agentic workflows to automate their lead nurturing, personalize their email sequences, and even generate hyper-realistic video reviews that speak directly to the pain points of their target demographic. Whether you are targeting the USA, UK, or global markets, the principle remains the same: solve a high-value problem for a high-value audience, and the commissions will follow. Affiliate marketing is the ultimate low-overhead business model, offering the freedom to work from anywhere while leveraging the multi-million-dollar marketing budgets of established corporations. By staying disciplined, focusing on high-ticket recurring offers, and constantly reinvesting your profits into traffic and brand building, you aren't just earning money, you're constructing a digital fortress of passive income that provides absolute autonomy over your time and your destiny.